Question 20, on a separate piece of paper, create a line graph for this set of data. So what we're going to do first is we are going to put some points along the bottom. So we'll have year 7 there. We'll then leave a couple of squares, year 8, year 9, year 10, year 11. Up the side is going to be the number of students. Always label your axes, so that's number of students. Across the bottom is obviously the year group, so that's year group. And we need to figure out what numbers to put up the side. Now, the easiest thing to do here is put some marks on and then figure out what you're going to do. So always look at your highest number. So the highest number is 36, and I've got 8 squares going up the side. So if you round 36 up to 40 and then divide that by 8, because you've got 8 squares, that means you can go up in 5s. So I'm going to do that. So obviously start at 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. And now we can just draw the dot for each one. So year 7 is going to be level with 36. Now there's 35, so 36 is going to be sort of roughly a fifth of the way of the distance of the square up. So 35 there to 36, I would say, is about there. If you had graph paper, which you tend to use more in year 7, year 8 and beyond, you could be more accurate with this because you could actually have 5 extra thin lines going up. You can exactly do 36, but for now, an estimate will do. Year 8 is 35, which is bang on level with that line. Year 9 drops down to 25, which is there. Just make those points a little bit bigger. Year 10 is going to be a little bit lower on 24, so a tiny bit lower. And year 11 drops down to 16. So 15 is there, 16 is there. It doesn't actually tell you what this data is representing. It could be anything. It could be how many people in each year group are having hot dinners in the school canteen. It could be how many people in each year group have been on detention. It could be anything. We don't actually get told that, but that's not important at the moment. What's important is we know how to draw those lines and plot those points. So all you would do now is you would join everything up. Okay, there we go. So we join them up, and that is basically our line graph.